As the sun rises on 2026, the industrial world feels different, more electric, more connected, more alive with possibility. Automation is no longer a supporting act, it's the heartbeat. Power systems are no longer silent infrastructure, they're intelligent, adaptive organisms. And cybersecurity, it's now the shield guarding the entire digital nervous system that keeps modern industry moving. This year, organizations aren't just upgrading tools, they're redesigning their future. And as we step into this new frontier, we've curated a list of technologies that embody where the industry is truly heading. Welcome to Ultech Curates, the top 10 industrial automation and power management technologies shaping 2026 Part 1, where we will share 5 technologies that are the essential automation in our projects of recent years and more years to come. We begin with a name that has anchored industrial automation for decades: Rockwell Automation's ControlLogix 5580 series. A platform that doesn't just run machines, but orchestrates entire operations with precision. This family comes in 7 distinct variants, from standard to no stored energy, from conformally coded for corrosive environments, to harsh environment and harsh environment safety, all the way to the specialized process and safety controllers for regulated industries. It's a portfolio built like a wardrobe for every possible industrial climate. Pick what your plant needs, and it simply fits. But the true magic lies under the hood. The 5580 series is engineered for high-speed, low-latency control that supports advanced manufacturing, robotics, motion coordination, and process optimization. And when downtime isn't an option, think pharmaceutical lines, petrochemical processes, or utilities, the 5580's redundancy architecture steps in like a silent guardian. With one-click redundancy enablement, seamless data sync, no memory penalties, a unified firmware for all variants, and next-gen I/O connectivity, this controller becomes the silent insurance policy that keeps factories running even when the unexpected hits. Operational teams will appreciate the small, thoughtful touches too. An onboard LCD for instant diagnostics, a 2 GB secure digital card for rapid replacements, and clean integration through Studio 5000 Logix Designer for multi-site harmonization. It's elegant, rugged, and shockingly adaptable. Whether you're running a clean room with zero tolerance for drift, a packaging line that can't miss a beat, a grid-tied utility network, or a harsh offshore platform blasted by salt and vibration, there's a ControlLogix 5580 variant built exactly for you. This family doesn't force your plant to compromise. It rises to meet it. This year, organizations want more than control. They want resilience, intelligence, cybersecurity, and future readiness. The ControlLogix 5580 is all of that in a single ecosystem. It's not just a controller, it's a backbone for the next decade of industrial growth. And that brings us to the next transformative force, reshaping industrial automation. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please do. It helps us keep in touch with you with the latest power and industrial automation tech. Innovation doesn't always shout. Sometimes it sits quietly inside a cabinet, running an entire plant with the composure of a Zen master. And that's exactly the energy the Mitsubishi Electric IQR platform brings. It's not just a PLC, it's an entire automation universe compressed into a single backplane. The real magic of IQR is its multi-CPU modular architecture. Need motion control? Slot in the motion CPU. Safety handling? Add the SIL2 certified safety CPU. High-speed process orchestration? Bring in the process CPU. Machine logic? Of course. The standard PLC CPU has your back. This is Lego for grown-ups, except every brick controls a production line. Together, they form a synchronized, high-speed industrial ecosystem that responds faster than the human eye can blink. The IQR platform is built for companies that want performance today and future-proofing tomorrow. Let's break it down. Blazing processing speeds. Think millisecond-level scan times with deterministic accuracy. perfect for high-speed packaging, robotics, or motion-intensive lines. Scalability that grows with you. A single machine today, a plant-wide network tomorrow. IQR evolves without forcing redesigns. A bridge between IT and OT worlds built in, OPC-UA, easy MS connection, high-speed data logging modules. Suddenly, your factory becomes a data-driven organism. C/C++ support via the C controller CPU. A Linux-based environment sitting inside a PLC rack. That's how you get predictive analytics, custom algorithms, and real-time applications all in one place. Integrated motion, safety, and redundancy. Up to 64 axes of motion. Safety modules certified to SIL2. Configurations that keep running even when hardware fails. This platform wasn't built for good enough. It was built to dominate. If you're operating in a world where milliseconds matter, automotive assembly, semiconductor manufacturing, high-speed bottling, robotic pick-and-place, or large distributed process plants, the IQR is a beast. It's engineered for environments where downtime is expensive, precision is non-negotiable, and growth is inevitable. This controller isn't here to patch problems. It's here to architect possibilities. As industrial players modernize aging lines and push towards smarter factories, the need for high-speed cross-functional integration is exploding, and the IQR is perfectly aligned with this shift. 2026 is the year where plants stop thinking in silos. Automation, motion, safety, data, AI-assisted analytics, they all converge. The IQR platform isn't just compatible with that future, it's built for it. And now, from one leader in automation, we shift to the global specialist in power management and a controller redefining hybrid resilience. Make sure to stay till the end of the video so that you're in the know of our top 10 tech choice of 2026. In the parts of the world where the grid is fragile, where electricity isn't a luxury but a lifeline, resilience isn't optional, it's strategy. And in that realm, the DEIF GC4MK 2 steps forward like a seasoned commander. This is not just a Genset controller. It is the operational brain that keeps mission-critical power flowing, whether you're on land, offshore, or fully off-grid. The AGC4 Mark II replaces the beloved AGC4, but it doesn't reinvent the wheel. It refines it, sharpens it, and future-proofs it. And while it isn't a hybrid controller on its own, pair it with the DEIF C4 solar hybrid controller, and suddenly, your diesel genset becomes part of a full, renewable-ready ecosystem. The AGC4 Mark II is designed to master the genset, whether it's a single unit or a complete multi-genset power plant. DEIF engineered it to deliver rock-solid stability, effortless synchronization, and excellent power quality even under unstable loads. From hospitals to marine vessels, from industrial plants to emergency backup systems, this controller ensures that the genset doesn't just run, it runs smart. Let's break down what makes the AGC4 Mark II such a heavy-hitting upgrade. 1. Best-in-class genset control, start-stop automation, engine protection, precise frequency and voltage regulation, all with the accuracy DEIF is known for. 2. Plug-and-play multi-genset scalability. Add more gensets? No redesign needed. The AGC4 Mark II scales from single genset to large multi-unit power plants with ease. 3. Full grid and busbar synchronization. Smooth, safe, intelligent connection between engines, grids, and tiebreakers, whether the site needs island mode, parallel mode, or seamless transitions. 4. Built-in cybersecurity updates. As cyber threats creep closer to the energy sector, DEIF hardens its controllers with better authentication, event logs, and secure protocols. 5. Hybrid-ready through ASC4 integration. This is the important nuance. The AGC4MK2 doesn't replace hybrid controllers. It supports them. Paired with the ASC4, it helps maximize solar penetration, reduce diesel usage, maintain spinning reserve, stabilize power quality during rapid PV fluctuations. 6. Fast commissioning and flexible configuration. DEIF's configuration tool remains one of the easiest on the market. Engineers love it because it cuts commissioning time dramatically. 7. Marine and industrial-grade reliability. Certified for some of the world's toughest environments, this controller is built to survive the unpredictable. The AGC4 Mark II thrives in places where failure is not an option. Its sweet spots? Industrial backup power plants, hybrid microgrids supporting PV and batteries via ASC4, offshore and marine power systems, critical facilities like hospitals, data centers, airports, remote operations in mining, oil and gas, or rural infrastructure. Anywhere uptime matters, this controller shows up like a dependable teammate who never sleeps. 2026 is shaping up to be the year where hybridization becomes standard, even in industries that once relied solely on diesel. Governments are tightening emissions rules, energy costs are volatile, and sustainability is no longer PR, it's profitability. The AGC4 Mark II sits right at this crossroads. It gives organizations the ability to run cleaner power systems without losing reliability, blend gensets with renewables using the ASC4, prepare for an energy landscape where flexible, resilient microgrids dominate. And with that, we move from the world of power generation into the arena of solar optimization, where performance is measured at the string level. Liked what you've seen so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to get the latest engineering updates from us. Solar farms are beautiful from afar, a tapestry of potential. But the real work happens at the string level, where one shaded module can quietly steal hours of yield. That's where Weidmüller's PV string monitoring system becomes indispensable, a precision instrument for squeezing every ray of sunlight into reliable, measurable value. Weidmüller turns PV sites into living systems that report their own health, string by string, combiner by combiner. Instead of guessing which panel or string is underperforming, operators get exact, actionable insights, long before a power loss becomes a headline. The key features and strengths of the Weidmüller's PV string monitoring system include string-level resolution, and measure current and voltage per string, pinpoint hotspots, shading, bypass diode issues, and degradation with surgical precision. Rugged field hardware, weatherproof enclosures, UV-resistant materials, and IP65/IP66 ratings ensure the sensors survive sun, salt, rain, and dust. Fast fault detection and localized diagnostics, automatic event logging, threshold alerts, and fault localization shrink technician dispatch times from hours to minutes. Seamless integration supports Modbus TCP/RTU and integrates cleanly with SCADA, PV plant controllers, and cloud platforms for unified plant visibility. Scalable, vendor-agnostic architecture. Expand monitoring one string at a time across vendors and inverter brands without vendor lock-in. Remote monitoring and predictive maintenance. Combine string telemetry with temperature and irradiance data for early warning trends and predictive servicing. This system is a natural fit for utility-scale solar farms chasing maximum yield per megawatt, commercial rooftop portfolios where visibility across many small sites matters, solar plus storage plants where accurate PV input forecasting protects batteries, brownfield PV retrofits that need to plug into existing SCADA without rip and replace, remote microgrids where technician visits are costly and downtime is expensive. When the margin between expected and actual yield is measured in percent points, string-level monitoring pays for itself fast. By 2026, solar is no longer experimental. It's core infrastructure. Investors demand transparency, Grid operators demand compliance, and site owners demand uptime. That changes the rules. It's not enough to have panels. You need plant intelligence. Weidmüller's string monitoring turns PV fields into quantifiable assets, increasing energy yield, shortening repair cycles, reducing operational costs, improving ROI and investor confidence. And in climates like ours, intense sun, humidity, and sudden storms, having hardware that survives and reports accurately is a competitive advantage. Less guesswork, faster fixes, more clean energy delivered. That's the promise and the reality of string-level intelligence. From field intelligence in the sun-soaked arrays, we move inside the network where every packet matters and every connection needs guarding. Next up, product number 5, the MOXA EDRG 9010 Cybersecurity Router, the industrial guardian that protects what you've just learned to measure. Every connected device is a doorway, and in industrial environments, power plants, water treatment systems, offshore platforms, one wrong doorway can compromise an entire operation. As OT and IT converge, the perimeter becomes porous, and the threat landscape becomes very real. This is where the MOXA EDRG 9010 steps in, not as just another firewall, but as a full-fledged industrial guardian built for the harshest terrain. It looks modest, minimalist, industrial, but inside this hardened metal frame is a cybersecurity router that blends routing, switching, VPN tunneling, and deep packet inspection, all tailored for OT protocols that run the world's most critical industries. The EDRG 9010 is engineered for asset-heavy environments where reliability isn't optional and downtime isn't forgiven. It sits at the border between OT and IT, analyzing, filtering, and protecting each packet with millisecond precision. Unlike enterprise routers repurposed for industrial use, this one speaks the native language of automation and control. Modbus, Ethernet/IP, IEC 104, DNP3, Profine 8, defending them the way a modern SoC would defend business traffic. Some of the key features, strengths of MOXA EDRG 9010 Industrial Cybersecurity Router include 1. Deep Packet Inspection, DPI. For industrial protocols, this is its superpower. Detect abnormal Modbus or Ethernet/IP commands. Block a rogue write command. Flag suspicious traffic patterns before incidents escalate. 2. Built-in stateful firewall industrial-grade filtering with granular access control to ensure only the right devices talk to the right assets. 3. VPN for secure remote access IPsec. OpenVPN. PPTP. Choose your tunnel. Encrypted maintenance sessions mean engineers can troubleshoot from anywhere without introducing vulnerabilities. 4. Layer 3, routing plus 2.5 gigabit Ethernet uplink performance. High-throughput uplinks support modern plant demands, SCADA expansion, and high-volume data log streams. 5. Hardware built for harsh environments, minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 75 degrees Celsius operating temperature, vibration-resistant design, rugged metal housing, IEC 62443-4-2 compliant cybersecurity standards. 6. Weigh-in failover and redundant paths. Built-in redundancy ensures operations keep running even when a network segment fails. 7. Industrial-grade VLAN, ACLs and NAT, segment traffic, shield devices, contain incidents. Treat each machine, SCADA server, and PLC zone as an isolated ecosystem. 8. Easy integration with MOXA Security Dashboard Console, SDC. Manage policies, updates, device monitoring, and event logs from a single orchestration platform. The EDRG 9010 thrives wherever high-stakes, high-availability operations demand airtight cybersecurity. substations and grid-connected energy plants, oil and gas platforms, FPSOs, and onshore terminals, manufacturing plants and MES-driven lines, renewable energy hybrid systems, water treatment and utilities, transportation, tunnels, and traffic management systems. In short, if it has sensors, PLC, SCADA, or remote access, the G9010 belongs there. Cyber attacks on critical infrastructure aren't theoretical anymore. They're weekly headlines. By 2026, global compliance pressures intensify, with IEC 6, 2443, NIST, and national cybersecurity frameworks becoming the new normal. Companies that fail to secure their OT perimeter risk, multi-million-dollar shutdowns, supply chain disruptions, irreversible data loss, and reputational collapse. The MOXA EDRG 9010 isn't just a router. It's a measurable mitigation strategy, a frontline defender that reduces risk exposure, strengthens compliance posture, and builds trust in a world where air-gapped networks are becoming myths. Industrial progress depends on secure connectivity, and secure connectivity starts with the right guardian at the gate. We are at the end of Part 1 of the Top 10 Industrial Automation and Power Management Tech in 2026. As we wrap up Part 1, here's what we've uncovered so far. Industrial automation isn't just about machines getting smarter. It's about creating systems that are faster, more interconnected, and more predictable, critical for any plant that demands uptime and safety. From Rockwell's ControlLogix platform all the way to Mitsubishi Electric's precision motor controls, each product we explored today forms a piece of a much bigger puzzle. A fully integrated automation ecosystem where every sensor, controller, drive, and server communicates like a unified brain. In Part 2, we'll continue expanding that puzzle, moving deeper into the technologies that give modern facilities their real edge. High-performance industrial PCs, intuitive HMIs, advanced safety systems, and the networking backbone that ties everything together. Part 2 takes us to the interfaces of tomorrow, the networks that bind machines together, the gateways that turn data into decisions, and the hybrid controllers shaping the era of clean power. So if you're ready to see how the next layer of industrial intelligence is built, stay tuned for our deep dive into Part 2. When you're ready, we'll step into the next chapter of industrial evolution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with the tech-savvy people in your team. See you in Part 2 of the Top 10 Industrial Automation and Power Management Tech in 2026.